और अभी आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलेंगे वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ की जानिब से सऊदी वज़ीर ख़ारजा के एजाज़ में दिए गए शाही की तकरीब से वज़ीर आज़म खिताब कर रहे हैं।
On my behalf and on behalf of the government of Pakistan and the people of Pakistan, wholeheartedly to your second home, along with all our brothers sitting here, Ikhwan min Mamlaka. And I can assure you that today has been a great day in our history in many years, because we have received from Saudi Arabia a very high-level delegation headed by you, Your Highness, after many years. And this has sent a message of hope and message of happiness to the four nook and corner of Pakistan. And I can assure you, without any fear of contradiction, that 250 million Pakistanis are very happy to see our brothers busy interacting with Pakistani counterparts. These relations are equivalent to gems, priceless gems, unique relationship. Around the globe, the requirement of the day: promote investments for mutual advantages, promote trade, promote climate dialogue, and so on and so forth. But here is an opportunity which has been provided by Allah Almighty, and of course through the great generosity of my very dear brother and very respected brother, His Royal Highness the Crown Prince, who was, it did not take a second to decide that my brother Shahbaz, our delegation will be in Pakistan very soon. And there you are, and here you are. So I think I'm very happy to know that today's discussion has taken place and there have been very satisfactory progress between the two teams and led by you. And of course, Rome was not built overnight. But if we are committed, which we are, and we do our homework properly, and this I am addressing to myself and to my team here, that we have to be ready in every sense of the word in terms of providing bankable propositions, feasibilities which are prepared by A-class consultants, which are accepted internationally, pre-feasibilities, and so on and so forth. Then sky is the limit. And I'm sure that today's discussion will usher into a new era of very close cooperation, and in coming weeks and months we will be able to, inshallah, sign agreements worth billions of dollars, and I hope my dear brother, His Royal Highness the Crown Prince, will grace this occasion by visiting Pakistan. And I can assure you that this entire hall with Pakistanis, ladies and gentlemen, and the entire Pakistan is waiting for his arrival and looking forward to this great ceremony and great visit. We will, on our side, make fullest preparation, and inshallah we will live up your expectation. Let's move with a sense of direction and sense of purpose for our future generations. And I can tell you that SIFC is a model which has been wonderfully carved out during our short stint in 2022-23, and it is a very robust mechanism which will, inshallah, ensure that we achieve our goals. It is headed by the Prime Minister of Pakistan and, of course, the APEX committee, in which Chief Army Staff is a very prominent member, along with other politicians and experts. We are working together as a team. This is our motto, This is our commitment, this is our mission, in that we will join hands with you, with the Saudi government, and the Crown Prince is going to be the main engine, inshallah, and together we will have these joint ventures and joint collaborations for which this discussion has been very helpful and valuable, and hopefully by the grace of God, future is ours and we will inshallah achieve our goals. Thank you very much. Pakistan Saudi friendship Zindabad.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Your Excellency, Mr. Prime Minister, Your Excellency, Chief Army Staff, Excellencies, dear friends, brothers, sisters, colleagues, thank you so much for the warm reception and hospitality that we have received today, and thank you for all the cooperation that we have and that we continue to see. We are indeed honored to be able to represent the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia here in Pakistan and to initiate what we hope will be a new phase in our partnership, in our brotherhood, in our friendship, to work towards initiating real economic cooperation that is tangible, that delivers benefits for both of our countries. And we have seen the work that you all and your colleagues, Your Excellency, have done already through the Commission, and we can see that there is a pathway forward for us, and we will be working hand in hand with you to make all of these things come true. So thank you for the hospitality, and thank you for the friendship. Thank you for everything, Your Excellency, and inshallah we will get it done.
सऊदी वज़ीर ख़ारजा शहज़ादा फैसल बिन फरहान के एज़ाज़ में दिए गए इशाइये की तकरीब से वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ खिताब कर रहे थे, जिसमें उनकी जानिब से सऊदी डेलीगेशन की आमद पर शुक्रिया अदा किया गया और दोनों ममालिक के दरमियान बरादराना ताल्लुकात के फ़रोग़ के अज़्म का अदा किया गया।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।